Welcome to InvestorWeb, the channel that invests in your intellectual growth. Here, we are committed to providing you with insights and perspectives that inspire and challenge your way of thinking. Our goal is to enrich your mind, one video at a time. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a fascinating topic, 10 experiences that make you smarter. Yes, you heard it right. These are not just ordinary experiences, but ones that have the potential to catalyze your cognitive abilities, enhance your creativity, and broaden your understanding of the world around you. We'll explore how these experiences can shape your intelligence, stimulate your brain, and ultimately make you smarter. So, brace yourself for an intriguing exploration of intellect, wisdom, and learning. Join us in this enlightening journey as we count down the top 10 experiences that can make you smarter. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is learning a new language. The process of learning a new language is like taking your brain on an exhilarating marathon. It flexes the mind's muscles, enhancing cognitive abilities and memory retention. When you learn a new language, you're not just memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. You're training your brain to recognize new patterns, interpret meaning, and communicate in different ways. It's a mental workout that can sharpen your focus and boost your multitasking skills. Moreover, it opens up a whole new world of cultural understanding, allowing you to experience life from different perspectives. It's like unlocking a secret door to a myriad of new ideas, traditions, and ways of thinking. So, by diving into a new language, you're not only enriching your personal and professional life, but you're also giving your brain a workout. So why not try learning a new language and give your brain a workout? At number 9, we have traveling. Picture this. You're navigating through a bustling street in a city you've never been to before. You're exposed to new sights, sounds, foods, and most importantly, a whole new culture. This is what traveling does. It broadens your mind, pushes you out of your comfort zone, and introduces you to a world of new experiences and ideas. When you travel, you're not just a tourist. You become a student of life. You learn to adapt, to understand, and to appreciate the beauty of diversity. It's a hands-on, full immersion course in problem-solving, flexibility, and resilience. And here's the kicker. The lessons you learn while traveling, they don't just stay in the suitcase when you get home. They become part of you, shaping your perspective and enhancing your understanding of the world. So pack your bags and let the world be your teacher. Coming in at number 8 is the timeless activity of reading. A pastime that is more than just a simple hobby, reading can be an essential tool in your cognitive toolbox. It's a way for you to travel without moving, to live 1,000 lives, and to explore the world from the comfort of your own chair. Reading does more than just entertain, it enhances your mind in ways you might not have considered. For one, it broadens your vocabulary, introducing you to new words and phrases that can help you express yourself more clearly. But it doesn't stop there. Reading also enhances empathy, allowing you to walk in other people's shoes, to understand their emotions and perspectives. Moreover, reading strengthens cognitive function. It keeps your mind sharp, improves memory, and fosters critical thinking skills. Remember, every book you read adds a new perspective to your mind, so go ahead, pick up that book you've been meaning to read and let your brain feast on the knowledge it offers. Experience number 7 is teaching others. It's been said that the best way to truly understand a subject is to teach it. When you teach, you dive deeper into the intricacies of a topic, reinforcing your existing knowledge. But it doesn't stop there. Teaching also hones your communication skills. You learn to explain complex ideas in simple, coherent terms. You learn to listen, to be patient, to give feedback, and to adapt your teaching style to the needs of your students. Furthermore, teaching helps you to see things from different perspectives, enhancing your understanding of the subject matter. You may even find that you learn new things from the very people you're teaching. So, take the opportunity to teach others, whether it's a skill, a concept, or a life lesson. After all, knowledge is not a finite resource. The more you share, the more you have. So, share your knowledge and, in the process, you will learn more. At number 6, we have engaging in debates. Now, debates are not just about proving a point or winning an argument. They are a profound exercise in critical thinking where you learn to analyze complex issues, interpret information, and make well-informed judgments. Imagine yourself in a debate. You're not just speaking, you're also listening deeply and attentively. This enhances your listening skills, teaching you to understand and appreciate different perspectives. And let's not forget about the art of argument formulation. A good debate requires you to articulate your thoughts clearly and convincingly. It's about building a compelling case and defending it with logic and evidence. Remember, debates are not battles to be won, but a playground for your intellect. They challenge your viewpoints, push your boundaries, and stimulate your cognitive capabilities. So seek out conversations that challenge your viewpoints. It's about broadening your horizons and becoming smarter in the process. Experience number 5 is playing musical instruments. Ever wondered why musicians seem to carry a certain charm? Well, it's not just about the music. Playing an instrument is like giving your brain a thorough workout. It improves coordination as your hands, fingers, and sometimes even feet are all working independently, yet together to create harmonious sound. It enhances your listening skills too. As a musician, you don't just hear, you listen. You pay attention to rhythm, pitch, and tone, sharpening your auditory skills. And let's not forget about the memory boost. Learning to play a piece involves memorizing chords, scales, and sequences, which is a fantastic workout for your grey matter. Playing an instrument also triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone, making it an enjoyable activity that also enhances cognitive abilities. So, pick up an instrument and let the music stimulate your brain. Coming in at number 4 is physical exercise. It's not just about toning your muscles or shedding those extra pounds. Exercise plays a vital role in enhancing your brain power too. When you engage in physical activity, your heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen to your brain. This promotes the growth of brain cells and the connections between them, leading to improved mental health. Moreover, exercise triggers the release of chemicals in the brain, such as endorphins and serotonin. These happy hormones help you feel good, reducing stress and enhancing your mood. This positive mental state is conducive to better cognitive function, including memory and learning. Physical exercise also helps in maintaining a healthy sleep pattern. A good night's sleep is essential for memory consolidation, a process that solidifies what we've learned and experienced during the day. So you see, physical exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about thinking better too. So keep moving, your body's health reflects in your brain. At number 3, we have meditation. A practice that dates back thousands of years. Meditation is not just for spiritual gurus or those seeking enlightenment. It's a powerful tool accessible to anyone looking to boost their intellect. Now, you might be wondering, how does sitting quietly in a room make me smarter? Well, it's all about the brain. Meditation improves focus, enabling us to concentrate on tasks for longer periods with greater clarity. It's like a workout for your mind, strengthening your mental muscles and enhancing your cognitive abilities. But the benefits don't stop there. Meditation is also an effective stress reducer, helping to lower anxiety levels and promote emotional health. When we're less stressed, our minds are more open and receptive, allowing us to absorb and retain information more effectively. So take a deep breath, clear your mind, and let meditation guide you to intelligence. Embrace this ancient practice and unlock the untapped potential within your brain. Experience number 2 is engaging in arts. Let's delve into the vibrant world of arts, a realm where your imagination takes the lead. When you immerse yourself in painting, sculpting, or even doodling, your creativity gets a fantastic workout. It's like a gym, but for your brain. Creating art also fine-tunes your motor skills. As you hold a brush, chisel, or pencil, you're not just creating a masterpiece, you're also honing your eye-hand coordination. It's a subtle yet powerful process that enhances your physical dexterity. But the benefits of engaging in arts don't stop there. It also sharpens your decision-making skills. Each stroke, each color choice, every minute detail, they all stem from a series of decisions, and making these decisions on a canvas can translate into better decision-making in life. So let your creativity flow and watch your intelligence grow. And finally, at number 1, we have continuous learning. This is the quintessential experience that truly makes you smarter. Let's delve into it, shall we? In life, the pursuit of knowledge is often considered the highest form of intelligence. It's not just about accumulating facts or figures, but about understanding, about seeking out new perspectives, about questioning the world around us. It's about never being satisfied with what we know, always pushing ourselves to learn more, to understand better. Continuous learning keeps the mind active. It's like a mental gym where you're constantly exercising your brain, keeping it fit, sharp, and agile. It promotes curiosity, that innate human trait that drives us to explore, to discover, to innovate. Moreover, continuous learning fosters lifelong improvement. It's not a destination, but a journey that we embark on. A journey of growth, of evolution, of becoming better versions of ourselves. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep challenging your mind. And there we have it, the top 10 experiences that can make you smarter. We've journeyed through the vast landscapes of language learning, the enriching paths of travel, the enlightening realm of reading, and the empowering act of teaching others. We've delved into the stimulating world of debates, the harmonious universe of playing musical instruments, the strengthening domain of physical exercise, the calming oasis of meditation, and the expressive sphere of engaging in arts. Last but certainly not least, we've underscored the importance of continuous learning in our quest for intelligence. Each of these experiences holds the power to enhance our intellect, broaden our horizons, and ignite our curiosity, so why not give them a go? Try incorporating these practices into your daily routine and witness the transformative effects on your mind. Remember to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insightful content. Here's to a smarter you.